Today, I'm teaching you guys how you guys can see your story archive in Facebook. Pretty simple. First you want to click on menu at the bottom right, if you screen, and once you're in your menu at the top, you can see the setting icon. Click on the setting icon, and if you don't see it over there, most of the time it's at the bottom, so scroll a bit down and click on settings and privacy, and click on settings. Doesn't matter, it's going to take you to the same place, alright. Once you over here at the top, right, you can see the little search icon. Click on the search icon, and you can see the search setting box. Click on it over here. Just search for activity log, activity space log. Once you search for activity log, the first option you can see, it basically says activity log. You want to click on it, and at the top you can see the option called archive. Click on archive, and it's going to take you to the archive section over here. You can see the story archive button at the top. Click on it, and it's going to take you to your story archive. So these are all my story archive of my Facebook. As you guys can see, now I can watch whichever story I want, or I can even delete or remove any story I want, alright. So that's how we guys can see your story archive on Facebook. So if you guys found her video helpful, hit the subscribe to her channel. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day.